Okay, so we're gonna be going over my current event project. So this is about the rise of super rats. So according to NBC News, the shutdown of many businesses and restaurants have changed the behavior of rats. Rat population in urban areas have more territorial disputes, infanticide, and cannibalism. Rats are also more active during the day, which is different because rats are usually nocturnal animals. And rat activity during the day can affect human populations because the interactions between humans and rats, it can actually increase the risk of spreading diseases. And rats that are successful during this time period can therefore spread their stronger genes to the offspring, which is, survival of the fittest, essentially. Scientific background. So this comes from The Conversation. Prior to the shutdown of businesses, rats have already been evolving and becoming resistant to some of the methods we use to exterminate them. It was found that genetic variation in rats is prevalent after being exposed to lethal toxins. Because rats have the ability to reproduce quickly, they can easily regain their numbers and spread genes that are resistant to said lethal control. There is a problem. This is a problem, excuse me. If the rats are resistant to pesticides and such, lowering their populations will become much more difficult. So we have to figure out how to combat the rise of these quote unquote super rats. This is important because we can get a first hand experience of how genetic variation and evolution may take place. These stronger rats fit into the phrase survival of the fittest. We will also have to alter how we deal with the rats in the future, as lethal toxins may no longer work. Perhaps we could develop a brand new toxin that not only kills the rat but discourages their genes from changing and developing resistances, but that will take a lot of money and time to research. I decided to take a look at this topic because I was interested in how animals or organisms in general can change in different circumstances and in times of difficulty. The article just didn't talk too much about how humans can be affected by the rise of rats, and so if I were to redo this project, I would take a look at that. Um, I'll prioritize that after the rats. And it's obvious that the spread of disease may increase. We do not know the severity of the diseases, as there might be new ones we have not discovered. Thank you.